Good morning, dear girls. Today we will continue the chapter winds, and we have already done the types of winds. First, we have studied planetary winds. Second, we have done local winds. We have finished planetary winds. Local winds we are still doing. In planetary winds, we have finished easterlies, westerlies, and polar winds. Local winds, the second type of wind, we have finished valley winds. I hope you have finished the diagram of valley winds and you have written all the characteristics of these breezes. Then we are going to do now sea breeze, which is the second type of local winds. Third type of local winds, land breeze. These three main topics we are going to do, and there are few more topics which are included in the local winds, the one which is in the bracket. These are also called local winds: Fun, Chinook, Bora and Lu. But we will not go in detail in these four last line which we are you can see in the bracket. We are going to do in detail study of topic number A, B and C. So we have already done valley winds. Now let's do the second topic, sea breeze. Now you have to observe this diagram, figure 5.5 A. The name of the diagram is sea breeze. Now here you can see this picture of a beach. Here you can see the sand. We love to sit over here and enjoy the waves over here. Now, during the daytime, sea breeze is blowing, means from sea to the land. This is land and this blue color is sea. Now, the land is made up of dense matter or the small particles, molecules which are very dense. And land is stable at one place and opaque. Opaque means what? It is not transparent. Now what happens? Because of this, heat is transferred at a great speed and in a higher proportion. So it gets heated more because the dense matter. And as you know about this land, whichever air is attached with this land, obviously because the land is heated, this part of air is also going to get heated fast. Comparatively, if we see the sea portion, density of water is comparatively less. As density of water is comparatively less and water is transparent also and it is unstable, moving, the water does not get heated quickly. As the land gets heated, the water does not get heated quickly because of the properties of the land and waters are different. So what is the result of all this? As a result, the air pressure in the land, this air and the water area is different. In the coastal area means near the sea area, land gets heated during the daytime, hence the air on the land also gets heated and the air pressure on the land decreases. Means what happens? The air is going up, ascending, because it is become hot and it moves up. And what happened? Here you can get the low pressure. And as I said, the area over here, air is cool. That is why the pressure is more, air pressure. So what happens? The wind blows from the high pressure to low pressure. Yes. So this is a blue line which shows wind is blowing. So sea breeze, cooler sea breeze blows to the land, and the air on land gets heated and goes up, and again warm air cools and comes down. So I hope you have understood. Air over here is not there, it's gone up, so it is empty. So that's why the wind, which is high pressure over here, pushes over here and it creates a wind. This type of wind is called sea breeze. Now we'll see the next diagram, which is on page 25, figure 5.5b. Now this is land breeze. Now exactly whatever we have seen at night, it happens exactly the opposite way. Now during the night time, what is the condition over here? Here you can see low pressure is written, and here it is written high pressure. So what is the condition now, girls? At night, land cools down faster, and at that time, what is the condition with the sea water? Sea water is still a little warm. So again I am saying, at night land cooled down faster as compared to the sea, and therefore has higher pressure. So this is cool part, so it is having higher pressure. So what happens? The land breeze blows from land toward the sea. So as we have studied, when there is a heat is there, the air over here is getting heated and moving up. So no air over here means it is empty, low pressure, and over here cool. It is this area is cool. So air is over here is warm air cools and comes down. Now here again this air is coming over here, so it is creating high pressure over here because this land is cold. So because of that, what happens? At night time temperature is low on the land, and on the sea it is little more. Because of that, we can see over here cool air, this pink color, cool land breeze blows towards the sea, and the sea air warms up on the water, goes up, and warm air cool and comes down. So according to the rule, the air moves from high pressure to low pressure. So this at night, the wind is blowing from land to the sea. So this type of breeze is called land breeze. Now we will watch one small video.
It's a sunny day at the beach. As the sun rises, the land warms up faster than the water does. This causes the air above the land to also warm up. Warm air, being less dense, expands and rises, leaving an area of low pressure. Meanwhile, the air over the ocean is cooler. Cooler, denser air sinks over the water, creating an area of high pressure. The differences in pressure and air temperature create a convection current. Warm air over the land is replaced by cool ocean air. This air is warmed by the land and rises, and the cycle continues. Winds that blow from the sea to the land are called sea breezes. At night, the convection current reverses. After the sun has set, the land cools more quickly than the water. Therefore, the air above the land also cools down. Cool air, being more dense, presses down over the land, creating an area of high pressure. Meanwhile, because water cools down slowly, the air over the ocean is still warm. Warm air, being less dense, expands and rises, leaving an area of low pressure over the water. At night, cool air over land moves towards lower pressure over the ocean. This air is warmed by the water and rises, and the cycle continues. Winds that blow from the land to the sea are called land breezes.
I hope you have understood the difference between sea breeze and land breeze. So, in the textbook on page number 25, there are some questions. So, as I am explaining, you will listen and you will note down the answers. First is, why do the breezes blow from the sea to the land during the day? For this, we will use the passage over here. You will start from in the coastal area till you will end high is less heated and the air pressures remains high, and after that you will say, because of this air moves from high pressure to the low pressure and the wind blows from sea to the land during the day. Okay, now we will see the second question. When do the winds blow from the land to the sea? For that, you will say answer is at night. Wind blow from the land to the sea at night. Third, describe the wind shown in figure 5.5a. It's a sea breeze. Next, compare 5.5a and 5.5b with the reference to the temperature, condition and the winds. Note down the answer. In figure 5.5a, the temperature is higher on the land and the pressure is low, so winds blow from sea to the land. In figure 5.5b, the temperature is low on the land and the pressure is high. Winds blow from land to sea. I repeat, in figure 5.5b, the temperature is low on the land and the pressure is high. Full stop. Winds blow from land to sea. Next, which winds are called sea breeze and which winds are called land breeze? We can say winds in 5.5a are sea breeze because they blow from the sea, and 5.5b are land breeze because they blow from the land. Next, in which part of India are the land and sea breezes experienced? Answer is the coastal areas. Last, do you experience sea and land breezes in your area? This answer you have to write on your own. Now, last part. Beside these winds under particular condition in different areas, these are also called local winds. For example, just I showed in the first slide, previous slides, Fan, Chinook, Bora, Lu, etc. See the table on the next page. Now, this table, the whole table is cancelled, so there is no need to go in detail. So just cancel this. Do you know the entire table, major local winds in the world? So cancel this part. So I am going to stop over here. In the next period, we will continue with the seasonal winds. Thank you, girls.